Cybersecurity is no longer an option, it's a necessity. If you're ready to secure systems, protect data, and combat modern threats, this video is your ultimate guide. From beginner to expert, including AI-powered tools, DevOps security, cloud security, encryption technologies, and certifications from Microsoft, Google Cloud, and AWS. This path is perfect for 1. Fresh graduates in IT, computer science, or related fields. 2. IT professionals looking to transition into cybersecurity. 3. DevOps engineers who want to secure CI/CD pipelines and infrastructure. 4. Anyone passionate about securing networks, systems, and data privacy. Prerequisites: basic computer skills, a problem-solving mindset, and willingness to learn coding fundamentals like Python. Before we dive into the roadmap, be sure to subscribe for exclusive AI-powered step-by-step learning guides across 10+ career paths you won't find anywhere else. Let's begin. Start with the essentials. 1. Networking basics. Learn about TCP/IP, DNS, and firewalls. 2. Operating systems. Gain hands-on experience with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. 3. Programming. Start with Python, which is widely used in cybersecurity automation. Learning resources. Platforms like Cybrary, Khan Academy, and FreeCodeCamp. Explore Microsoft's free Azure Fundamentals (AZ900) course to build your cloud security foundation. Next, build a strong base on topics like encryption, cloud IAM, DevOps security, and AI security. Phase 1 focuses on fundamentals, tools, and certifications. Learning goals: cybersecurity basics, data privacy, and encryption technologies like AES, RSA, and TLS. Explore identity and access management, IAM, with tools like Microsoft, Azure AD, AWS IAM, and Google Cloud Identity. Explore tools such as Wireshark for network analysis, Microsoft Defender for endpoint security, and CyberArk for IAM. Certifications: 1. CompTIA IT Fundamentals, ITF+. 2. Microsoft Security, Compliance and Identity Fundamentals, SC900. Start building your skills to understand data protection, DevOps pipelines, and compliance frameworks. Phase 2 focuses on practical skills, tools, and securing DevOps environments. Learning goals: 1. Understand DevSecOps, the integration of security into DevOps processes. 2. Secure CI/CD pipelines to prevent vulnerabilities during software deployment. 3. Learn infrastructure as code, IAC, security with tools like Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, and Azure Resource Manager. Next, DevOps security tools. 1. Checkmarks and Snyk for secure code scanning. 2. Aqua security and Twistlock for container security. 3. GitHub and GitLab security features for secure code repositories. Next, cloud-specific solutions. 1. Microsoft Azure DevOps Security, Azure DevOps Services with integrated security checks. 2. AWS DevOps Guru, AI-driven insights for performance and security optimization. 3. Google Cloud Build Security, protect CI/CD workflows with Google native solutions. Next, certifications. 1. DevSecOps Foundation certification from the DevOps Institute. 2. AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional. 3. Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer Expert, AZ400. Phase 3 is about mastering advanced topics in data security, cloud security, and DevSecOps. Learning goals: 1. Secure infrastructure as code, IAC for cloud platforms. 2. Automate security testing and CI/CD pipelines using tools like SonarQube and Trivy. 3. Master data security with encryption tools like AWS KMS, Microsoft Azure Key Vault, and Google Cloud KMS. Next, DevOps security tools. 1. OWASP ZAP for dynamic application security testing, DAST. 2. HashiCorp Vault, secrets management and access control for DevOps workflows. 3. Jenkins with security plugins to enhance pipeline security. Next, cloud security solutions. 1. AWS Security Hub and AWS Shield for advanced cloud security and DDoS protection. 2. Microsoft Defender for DevOps, integrates with GitHub and Azure DevOps to secure workflows. 3. Google Cloud Security Command Center to monitor, analyze, and secure cloud infrastructure. Next, certifications. 1. Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist, CKS. 2. GAC Cloud Security Essentials, GCLD. 3. Azure Security Engineer Associate, AZ500. Phase 4 focuses on mastering cutting-edge AI security and ML security, while deepening DevOps expertise. Learning goals. 1. Implement AI security to protect machine learning pipelines from adversarial attacks. 2. Master DevSecOps principles for multi-cloud environments. 3. Build security into CI/CD processes using AI-powered tools like GitHub Copilot Security and AWS DevOps Guru. Next, tools and solutions. 1. Aqua, secure container images and Kubernetes clusters. 2. Sonatype Nexus, automate dependency security and CI/CD pipelines. 3. ML security tools, Adversarial Robustness Toolbox and IBM AI Fairness 360. Next, certifications. 1. GIAC, Cloud Security Automation, GCSA. 2. Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. 3. AWS Certified Security Specialty. Integrating AI, DevOps, and security helps future-proof your cybersecurity skills. Alright, let's explore some AI-powered tools that are really revolutionizing cybersecurity and DevSecOps. First up, we have AWS Code Guru Security. This tool uses AI for automated code reviews and vulnerability detection. Pretty cool, right? Next, there's Snyk. It offers AI-powered tools, specifically designed for secure application development. Then we have IBM QRadar. This one is all about AI-driven CM automation. And let's not forget Microsoft Defender for DevOps, which helps secure multi-pipeline environments. Finally, there's Vectra AI. It uses AI behavioral analytics for advanced threat detection. These tools, you see, optimize DevOps workflows and automate security enforcement across systems. It's amazing how much they can do. Showcase your skills by 1. Building secure CI/CD pipelines and sharing them on GitHub. 2. Contributing to open-source security projects like OWASP. 3. Participating in DevSecOps CTF challenges on platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box. A strong portfolio shows your expertise in cybersecurity and DevOps integration. Cybersecurity and DevSecOps evolve rapidly. Follow resources like Krebs on Security, Microsoft Cybersecurity Blog, and AWS Security Updates. Keep learning with hands-on cloud security labs and real-world CI/CD security projects. From security analyst to CISO or DevSecOps architect, this roadmap ensures you master AI, cloud platforms, and DevOps security. Cybersecurity is about protecting the digital world, systems, data, DevOps pipelines, and AI. With this roadmap, you'll master Microsoft, AWS, and Google Cloud security solutions, achieve global certifications, and secure the future. Ready to take the first step? Your journey starts now. For advanced training or AI-powered career mentoring program, please visit aicareerguru.com.